doesn't exist. This word itself, when we look at this word, does not exist. We are nowhere, not at any place equal to one another or each other. Forget about the gents or lady. We can never be. But even gents, within gents if you see, we are not equal. Within ladies if you see, we are not equal. I mean, Kavya cannot be equal with Draupadi Murmu ji. I cannot be equal with anybody like Rahul Gandhi or Modi or anybody. No. So, the problem or the issue starts there. That I want to be equal with you or you want to be equal with me. How to do it? Correct. Now what we all keep saying that I want, please make me equal to you. You make me equal to you. I never say, okay, I will try to become equal to you. So that is where the whole issue is. I need to snatch or work. I need to stretch, I need to snatch, I need to work for being equal to anybody. We discussed this yesterday. So that is one issue which is very pertinent and very important for all of you, for all of us also. Actually, that if I need to be equal to anybody on this earth, I need to work in equality, work a little more than in her. That is one. Another point what he has made, the German lady entering, you know, and we are very fortunate to have Sudhamurthy here. I was doing a seminar at my place, a rural place, 2 years back. Every room Sudhamurthy is there, every room. So I asked, who is he? Sir, you don't know? He is Sudhamurthy. I said, I never know. Sudhamurthy, who? Sir, Narayan Murthy is my Infosys chairman. Oh, good. In my place, native rural place. How? It is, see who has spoken on television that when she applied for the TCE, so the reply from HR came that we don't have ladies. So the lady did research 4 or 5 days and wrote back to Ratan Tata ji that see, writing that you don't have ladies is perfectly fine with me, I have got no issues. But you also need to tell me why. If I can prove equally, if I can prove equally, I can work equally, I can perform equally with anybody who you think that you can't work equal to her, him, then what? And then sir and she is, I heard her, and she worked there. Today, she is wife of Sudhamurthy and that is point number 2. Another very typical issue, see what happens is, we run very fast in our life. We don't stay, we don't breathe. So if you see it, grammatically when we see this, this first is called woman, correct? The second, women. Why? Women, women, but the spelling here is same, no? W-O-W-O. Maybe it is something like this, maybe my invention. Woman is one. When we are multiple, we are women. All of us are same. All of us are equal. And I remember here in Lok Sabha when discussion was going on police stations manned by women. So everybody was fighting.